Huh? But I ain't gonna lie. Granddad, you're eating the wrong ones. These are the ones you're supposed to eat. Those is mine. Yeah, but I eat these. But you gotta eat those. These ain't those. Those are
Yeah.
These are here.
For me?
Those are there.
Yeah.
I eat these.
Oh, hold on, see? Granddad, you been standing here for a minute now, man. What you doing?
I'm holding up to the garage.
For what?
It's leaning.
It's leaning. What you doing? Hold it up?
I'm holding it up.
Nah, Granddad. Nah, just come on. You might gotta sit down here, man.
I don't want it to fall.
Nah, you out of there.
Okay, wait. The clouds are nice up there, Granddad.
The what is nice, Granddad?
The clouds. The green.
Just do it.